Welcome to the Sustain Agro channel, where we discuss useful information on farming, gardening, and natural farming. Friends, today we'll learn how you can fill your home with beauty and fragrance by growing roses in your home or balcony. So, let's get started with the step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Choose the right rose variety. If you have limited space, you should plant miniature roses or floribunda roses. These grow well even in small pots and produce abundant flowers. If you have a wall or railing, you can also plant climbing roses. Step 2. Pot or container. A pot 12 to 15 inches deep is best for roses. It should have 2 to 3 drainage holes in the bottom to prevent water from stagnating. You can use a clay pot, a grow bag, or a plastic pot. Anything. Step 3. Prepare the soil. Mixed roses need loose, organic, and well-drained soil. Prepare this mixture: 40% garden soil, 30% composted cow dung or vermicompost, 20% sand or perlite, 10% neem cake powder or bone meal. Mix this mixture thoroughly and let it dry in the sun for 2 days. Step 4. Planting. If you have a plant from a nursery, plant it carefully in the pot to avoid breaking the roots. If you are planting a grafted plant, ensure the grafted portion remains above the soil. Then, water lightly. Step 5. Sunlight requirements. Roses need 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. A south or east-facing location on a balcony is best. In extreme heat, you can provide light afternoon shade. Step 6. Watering method. Roses like moisture, but not too much. Water daily in summer, once every 2 to 3 days in winter. Make sure the soil is not wet, just slightly moist. Water only in the morning or evening. Step 7. Fertilizing. Apply this mixture once every 15 days. 1 handful of vermicompost or cow dung manure, 1 teaspoon of neem cake, half a teaspoon of bone meal. Also, apply organic tea fertilizer once every 10 days, which you can make by soaking vermicompost in water for 24 hours. Step 8. Pruning. Prune dead or dead branches every 2 months. After the flowers fade, cut the branch 4 to 5 inches below the base. This will help new buds appear faster and keep the plant fresh. Step 9. Pest control. If you see green flies or red spiders on the leaves, spray a mixture of 1 teaspoon of neem oil and 2 drops of liquid soap in 1 liter of water. This will keep the plant pest-free and the leaves shiny. Step 10. Easy tips for promoting flowers. Crush dried banana peels and add them to the soil. This provides natural potassium. Add Epsom salt once a month, 1 teaspoon per 1 liter of water. Step 11. Balcony decoration tips. Place pots on railings or wooden stands, keeping them spaced apart to allow for both air and sunlight. If you have a trellis or net, let a climbing rose climb onto it. Your entire balcony will feel like a garden. Step 12. Repotting and maintenance. Transplant the plant into a new pot every 1.5 to 2 years. Add fresh soil to ensure the plant receives nutrients. If you take a little care daily, maintain a balance of sunlight, water, and fertilizer, your rose will bloom year-round. Friends, if you liked this video, like, comment, and share. And yes, be sure to subscribe to the channel Sustain Agro so you can continue to receive such useful information on farming and gardening. Thank you. Be happy. Spread greenery.